Hey, how's it going, guys? So this is going to be a tutorial series teaching you how to use the Google Cloud API, and gradually I'll be teaching you how to use various of Google API like Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Google Doc, and integrate those APIs with Python. Before we can integrate Google APIs with Python, we need to learn how to create a project and as well as how to enable the API service. So in part 1 of the tutorial, I'll teach you the basic, which is how to create a project. So before you can start using Google API service, you need to have a Google account. The best way is to go to gmail.com and just register for an account. And once you've done that, you want to come down to the console.cloud.google.com. That leads to this Google Cloud Platform webpage. And next, you want to click on Sign In. So here, choose the account that you either register or you already have. And here I create a dummy account called data_dummy_account@gmail.com. And I'm going to just use that account. So here, the first thing you're going to see is if you are new users, Google is going to give you $300 credit for the first 12 months. So that means within the first year, and if you spend less than $300, and all those API services are free. But if you are individuals and who is purely want to use Google APIs to automate your work or some of the things you do, then most likely you don't have to worry about go over the quota, because in general, with almost every single Google API service, and they do provide free usage, I think on daily basis or monthly basis, depending on the API service that you use. Okay, now once we sign in, this is probably the page that you're seeing right now. You want to go to the top and click on select a project. So here, think about a project is equivalent to an application or a program. And within a program or a project, you can have multiple API services enabled. Also, you can have multiple people working on the same project as well. And so you can see that here I already have 2 projects created, but I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to start from scratch. So here by default, you should have I think 13 projects available to your usage. That means you can create 13 projects by default. If you succeed the 13 project limit, you can email Google's customer service to increase the project limit. On the new project page, here you want to give your project name. So here I'm going to give my project name. Let's call this Google API 0000. And this name is not being used. Just be aware that you cannot go back and change the project name. So everything you decide at this point is final. So here I'm going to name my project Google API 0000 and 4 zeros. And I'm going to click on create. So here Google is creating the new project. Okay, now here Google just create our project Google API 4 zeros. And at this point, we'll just create our first project. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a credential under your project.